Hey guys! Welcome back again sa isang panibagong video at ngayon ay maglalaro tayo ng Granny Minecraft made by the legendary Creeper Gamer ZXZ, which is pretty similar sa pangalan ko, and show on the interact button to interact with objects. So kailangan natin maghanap ng mga black button with white thing na yan para ma-interact natin, and go in front of the door to use the proper item for opening a lock cage on the main door while trying to escape si Granny. And Granny is an armor stand. Original phone game made by developer. Meron nga rin Steam. If you guys don't know yet, merong Steam version ng Granny Bedrock Edition. Okay, let's see. Yun yung isa sa mga. So guys, i-press lang natin yun. Yo, what the heck? That looks so sick, man. Tapos ano to? It's just fire particles. Oh, ayun siya. Hello, Granny. Hello. Kakatakot naman na ito. Bilis mo maglakad. Extreme mode ba to? Hello. Wala siya. Where the shine show? Hello. Oh shit, wala siya. Oh! Wala siya. Oh! Oh! Show. Hello. You silly little cheater. You son of a bitch. Sup, bitch. Oh! Oh, shit. Pwede na. Habul! Hinabol niya ako. Hinabol niya talaga ako. It was good, man. Okay, let's actually make progress this time. Nasaan si Granny? Wine show. It was good, man. It was good. Ano mga nandito? Cutting pliers. Nasaan siya? Wala pa siya. Ayun show. Tapos meron pa dun sa taas, sa may attic. Meron ba dito? Wala. Tingnan natin sa playhouse. Nope. Tignan naman natin sa side na to. Let's see. Ayan o. Master key. Nandito. Pointless stuff. Nothing but pointless stuff. Whoa, what the shit? Anong nangyari dun? I'm completely flabbergasted by what just happened. Okay, let's see. Baka may chance pa tayo. Let's not waste any chances. Hammer. Ooh, yun show. Tag. Eh, what? Okay, let's not wait any... Oh, yun show. Yo, what's good, dude? What's good, son? Okay, let's not waste any chances. Tignan natin kung mabibit talaga natin to by removing all the items down there. So, kukuhanin natin yung playhouse key. And yun yung hammer. Cut natin yan. Perfect. Tapos akyat tayo dito para sa ito, para dito. I guess because may master key na tayo, baka nag-glitch. No. Lumapit. Saan yan? Tapos kuhanin natin yung master key dito na nahanap natin.